friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm very delighted to show you the best offers of real estate properties at our beautiful sunny Casablanca region. So today we will share with you once more our T1 project, and finally the structure of the building is done. Now the walls are also ready, water connections, electricity is also almost done. So the building will be done 1 month earlier than planned. So the construction is going very smoothly and good. And friends, you are lucky because we only had one available apartment here, the first floor right side, the first floor type T, but there's one more apartment free now because one client had some problems and the reservation has failed. So we have another one available, the third floor type C on the left side. It's a very good orientation because this apartment has more sun, third floor, and the first floor is 250,000 euro, and for the third floor 265,000 euro, 5,000 cheaper than it must to be. So be quick, because this is a very good investment. I work on the real estate and have many clients that are looking for new build, and honestly I was comparing the prices with the competitors, and this building has top location. We are only 100 meters away from Los Locos beach. This is one of the most asked area by investors, because this place here we have many apartments that we rent out for our clients as a short term, and it works perfectly if you buy it as an investment, because as I told you before, 100 meters away to Los Locos beach. The Los Locos beach promenade will be completely renovated soon, so it will increase the value of this place. And on this case, in only 8 months you have new build done and 2 last units available. So be quick, and now I will show you the apartment and the rooftop terrace from inside. Follow me. So friends, I'm so happy that finally I can show you on the real life what this project offers. I'm standing now in the second floor in the 2-bedroom apartment type T. We have one free already upstairs, same plan. So as you can see, we have the southwest orientation. Now is November and we have sun, also in the winter time. So this side, the C type, is the more sunniest, and you can enjoy the sun standing at your balcony. So the balcony will be until here. This is the storage for the water boiler and the wash machine. Actually, as you see, the dining area and the living room is bright enough. We have enough space to put your couch, TV. Here comes the kitchen, and actually it feels comfortable and enough space to be. So just to remember, this project offers lighting, white goods, completely delivered kitchen, bathroom. So the only thing that you must to buy is the furniture. We have underfloor heating in the bedrooms, electric blinds, and we can continue with the review. This is the first bedroom. Maybe you don't see so much, but after this is the main entrance. We come here from the building. Next here we have the second bedroom, the small bedroom with window and inbuilt wardrobe, and the second main bedroom with the wardrobe here and enough space to put a double bed, nice window, and as you can see, we have enough light and enough space for light here. So friends, and I'm proud to show you the extras of this project. We are standing now in the roof terrace, the communal roof terrace that this project offers. This is the swimming pool here, and it will have a water heater, so the water can be heated and the pool can be used any time of the year. And check out the views from here. We even have a view to the sea, some mountains there of Alicante. So it's nice and lovely to be here. Also, when you're standing there at the roof terrace, there's enough place to put tables, to put the chairs, and enjoy this actually this terrace. So it will be very good investment, because with these extras, of course, you can rent your property easy. So friends, look how beautiful it is in our Torrevieja city, end of November, and we still have people on the beach. And the project is located only 100 meters away from this nice promenade and this well-known beach of our city. Remind you that we have two last units for 250 and 265,000, first and third floor, with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Big week, because as I told you, it's a very nice option with the comparison of other available units, new build projects. This is the best one. Very good reservation requirements, comfortable payments, only 25% now to reserve the unit, and the last is by the notary. And also we know each client that bought here, it will be very easy to get the touristic license and rent your property out for short term. So this is a top option. Be quick. If you need more details about this project, you have here my contact details. You can call me, write me a message anytime. I will send you the plans, I will send you the information, and you can make the reservation. So contact me for more details. Share this video with your family, your friends, subscribe this channel, and give us a like. And I see you next time in your YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.